We're going to go through rotate array. Given an integer array's num, rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is a non-negative. What the heck does that mean? I don't understand that. Hopefully chat breaks this down and makes it sound good. If you didn't see the last video, this was the thumbnail we came up with. It's pretty fire. So what we do is we throw this problem into ChatGPT. It breaks it down into the easy solution, creates a thumbnail for us. We plug it in, see if it works. We're golden. If you want the code at any point on how I set this thing up, let me know and I'll drop it in the comments. Space that. Let's do it. I do want to do one thing. I want to change the voice. Go with number 2. Let's go ahead and play this.
Anime storyline, the dance of the celestial spheres. In the realm of Tenkanra, the celestial spheres governed the balance of the universe. These spheres floated in perfect harmony until a rogue star, Kyoku, disrupted their alignment. This caused the once orderly dance of the spheres to falter, threatening to send the entire realm into chaos. Desperate to restore the flow, the Grand Oracle summoned Kai, the Warrior of Light, to perform the Kyukan no Mai, or the Dance of Alignment. However, this was no ordinary task. Kai had to rotate the spheres exactly step to the right, realigning their cosmic sequence to maintain balance in the universe. Kai, standing at the precipice of the Eternal Observatory, gazed at the glowing orbs floating in the void. Every step of this dance must be precise, Kai murmured, gripping the Staff of Harmony. The fate of Tenkanra depends on it. Now, Kai must figure out the correct sequence of movements to ensure harmony is restored. Code solution, realigning the celestial spheres. Here's how Kai orchestrates the perfect rotation of the spheres. Java class solution, public void celestial dance in spheres int steps, int total spheres equals spheres.length, steps equals steps sent total spheres. Ensure steps don't exceed the number of spheres. Reverse the entire array, reverse spheres, spheres 0, total spheres -1. Reverse the first steps. Spheres, reverse spheres, spheres, 0, steps -1. Reverse the remaining spheres, reverse spheres, steps, total spheres -1. Helper function to reverse spheres between two indices, private void reverse spheres, int start, int end. While start end, int temp equals sphere start equals spheres end equals temp, start plus end. How it works. 1. Reversing the entire array. This mimics Kai's grand sweeping gesture to shift the universe's energy completely. 2. Reversing the first K elements. The first part of the alignment dance ensures the first K spheres take their rightful place. 3. Reversing the remaining elements. Finally, Kai realigns the remaining orbs to restore balance. Example what? Spheres 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Steps equals 3. Steps. 1. Reverse entire array. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 2. Reverse first K equals 3 elements. 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 3. Reverse remaining elements. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Output. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Would you like to create a thumbnail for Kai's epic cosmic realignment?
Go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and say C since we're learning Spanish. Kai's about to be a beast in this thumbnail. I feel it. I like the anime theme ones. Let's see what it comes up with. This was my last one for today. What? What? Wow. Blown away how you can put in a couple of codes into a chatbot. I mean, that it always has the name of the problem, which it often spells wrong, but making sure it says LeetCode or Let's Code. I don't know how you say that. Making sure it always says Let's Code. It always captures the same kind of theme for all of my thumbnails. So it's just awesome that technology is rapid. Let's go ahead and copy this code and see if it works. Perfect. And I can imagine someone trying to solve this on their own. We did solve this before. We did solve this on my own, and it took several hours as well as, I mean, I had to